Weekends are the only days where I can really schedule my general cleaning and have my weekend reset so that everything is set and ready for my following weekdays. If I don't have trips or meetups with friends or families, I spend my weekend either resting or doing some general cleaning. And for this vlog, I did my weekend reset routine. After my morning cuddles with my sweetest Cara, I went up and refilled my water dispenser kasi nauhaw ako and wala na akong tubig. Then I removed my bed sheets and pillowcases and tucked them into my laundry bag. Same goes for my curtains kasi puro fur na ni Nakara and Latte. And then I did some laundry and I'm so thankful for this wedding gift from Casey and Dan because laundry life has become so convenient and tipid. And while waiting matapos ang laundry, nag-defrost muna ako ng meat because I'm going to cook spaghetti for brunch. And while defrosting, I cleaned the kitchen sink muna. Actually, na-realize ko na amazing talaga mga mama and helpers natin, especially when it comes to multitasking. Several household chores are happening at the same time and mental workload din siya. Biruin mo, cooking while waiting for the laundry to finish para isampay yung mga labada kasi hindi pwedeng hindi isampay agad kasi baka bumaho or mangamoy kulob. At kung ano-ano pang iniisip na task list na dapat ma-take off in a day. So kudos to our mamas. After brunch, I placed my newly laundered towels and extra bed sheets sa boxes nila. I bought these boxes sa Shopee para organize din yung loob ng cabinet ko. Then my sister and I went to the wet market and grocery para mamili ng food for the week. Actually, marami kaming nabili na feel ko good for 2 weeks na siya. The way I do my groceries before is dapat maka-grocery ako ng good for 3 weeks or a month. Pero natutunan ko sa friends ko na parang mas maganda pa if good for the week yung bibilihin para hindi mabubulok yung mga gulay and fresh pa rin pag niluto mo. Yes, it's kinda tiring kasi you have to do the groceries every week. Pero at least walang masasayang or mabubulok na food and mabudget mo rin ng maayos. But hey, what works for you works for you. You do you when it comes to your groceries. Itong pag-fold ng mga plastics, tinuruan ako ni mama nito dati and it's really a space saver. Ever since natutunan ko to, this is how I fold and organize my plastics and paper bags. And then natutunan ko kay mother-in-law na mas matagal mabulok ang mga gulay if ibabalot mo siya sa tissue pag nilagay mo sa ref. It's just a tip, baka gusto nyo rin i-practice ito. As part of my weekend reset, I replaced my rugs and pamuna sa table and placed the newly laundered ones sa lalagyanan nila. And once the groceries are placed, nilagay ko sa expenses sheet kung magkano yung nagastos ko for the day. I practice listing down every expenses to track them and for budgeting purposes na rin. And then I vacuumed my room and the living room and the kitchen na rin kasi puro buhok na ni Nakara and Latte. And then I prepared my gym bag for tomorrow. Nilabas ko na yung susuotin ko bukas para ready na and I packed my after workout clothes and toiletries. Nilagay ko na din yung tumbler ko. Syempre, pag weekend, hindi pwedeng hindi ko lilinisan yung CR and after that, I also cleaned my electric fans and wiped away the cat's furs. Yes, nakakapagod po. Imbes na magpahinga ako or catch up sa new K-drama episodes, naglinis ako ng bahay. Yung pagod ko, it was a satisfying type of pagod. Alam kong malinis ang everything sa bahay and ang gaan sa feeling na sisimulan ko yung week ko na ang linis ng paligid and ang organized ng mga gamit ko. And that's it for my weekend routine. Kung meron kayong mga tips on house cleaning, please share them in the comments. I'd like to know about them and see you on the next vlog. Bye!